Thank you for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road, Duncan, BC, just off the Trans-Canada Highway, or online at islandford.ca. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 XLT. It's got a 301A package, which gives you a power seat, as well as an XTR package, which includes those chrome accents. It's got a stone grain exterior, as well as a gray cloth interior, 4 doors, and seating for 6. A 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. You have a backup camera as well as a trailer package that includes Pro Trailer Backup. And some other great features I'll walk you through as I give you a walk around. If you want to see it in person, our sales team would be more than happy to take you out on a test drive, or you can go online at islandford.ca. 18-inch chrome wheels to go with that XTR package, chrome door handles, cab steps, keyless entry keypad, left-hand side capless gas cap, backup camera. You have a chrome bumper, like I said, 4-pin, 7-pin connector. Tailgate is both lockable and removable, and your backup camera is located right here. Inside, you've got a box liner and tie downs in all 4 corners. As a driver, enjoy plenty of door storage, including cup holders, speaker in the door, power locks, windows, and mirrors. Power adjustable front seat, including lumbar support, though the seat back is manually operated. You have your lighting controls, including your fog lights and box light, electronic parking brake, as well as electronic pedal controls, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and a grab handle on the body makes it a little bit easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, as well as your dash controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls. On the dash, you'll see any important messages you need to be aware of, like if you're low on fuel. You can cycle between display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, and settings. Each has its own sub-menu for you to cycle through. It is a select shift automatic transmission, and you can adjust drive modes with the button on the end. You have normal, as well as tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport mode. And I'll switch it back to normal. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have your 4x4 locking differential, as well as Pro Trailer Backup that makes it way easier to back up your trailer, and an integrated trailer brake controller. Top of the media center, you've got a little cubby to put things, traction control, hazard lights, as well as the auto start stop to avoid idling. Audio controls include AM, FM, as well as satellite radio. You can also use Bluetooth. Connect your phone and talk hands-free. You also have navigation. And this is the screen for your backup camera. One cool thing I am going to show you while I've got the car in gear is that it's a 10-speed automatic transmission, and you can select shifts through them. You'll see that on the right-hand side. Also on this touchscreen, you can enjoy your settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so much more. Down below, you have your audio controls as well as your climate controls, including front and rear defrost, AC, and max AC for this hot summer days. 2 USB ports, as well as the cigarette lighter, and a little more of a cubby space here. 12 volts off to the side, locking glove box. In the middle, you've got 2 cup holders, as well as an armrest, but when you need the seat, you can have that too. Flip it up and enjoy a bit more storage. Overhead, you've got a rear view mirror that's auto dimming, as well as overhead lights and a sunglass holder. Rear passengers have 2 tiers of door storage, speaker in the door, and power windows. Grab handles make it easy to get in, back seat pockets. You've got seating for 3. To raise and lower the seats, you just use this little tab, and they'll lift right up, and you have those little storage pockets down below. Use the tab again, and you can flip them right back down. You have cup holders in the middle, as well as 2 USB ports and 12-volt port. If you don't like the all-weather floor mats, the carpeted ones are in that package. Overhead, you have hooks, lighting, and access to that rear window. It also defrosts. Chrome exhaust and bumpers thanks to that XTR package. Turn signals integrated into the side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, engine block heater, and so many more reasons to come on down to Island Ford Superstore, the #1 rated Ford dealer in BC.